What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode, and this is actually a requested one. Someone asked me to show my real investment portfolio, but before I do start, I need to explain a few things. So one, this is not the maximum amount of money that I could put in. This is just a start because mainly I've been focusing on the education side of investing, so I've been learning a lot more. And in that way, I'd rather not spend the money and lose it at the start. I'd rather learn more and just see how I go. So clearly, it's a trial run here, and I've had 3 investments which have actually not done me too badly for nice little returns in the past. But of course, one of my weaknesses was not knowing when to call it a day. However, you can see I'm clearly up now. Account started with around £90 in, and we're on £115, £21 profit so far. Up today, we've been up quite high to about maybe £30 profit, if we have a look. So obviously gold is influencing that a lot. Gold, silver and Tesla have been my 3 for nice little profits all day and basically all month, because they have actually been returning quite well. Tesla, especially, big returns on that one. So even a 0.1 position size on this is very expensive. Gold obviously been performing well for months. A little bit of a fall in gold and silver recently. However, it looks like it's starting to get some more support and climb back up again. So that is nice to see. But yeah, these are my two investments for the minute now. Obviously, like I said, I invested in gold and silver, and then that one day we'll look right into it. I'm going to explain why I chose these. So obviously, with everything that's going on right now, gold and silver are a good one. Obviously, my account is pretty much maxed out now. Can't afford any more investments. Gold, I can afford 0.2 in, but we're not going to go for it. We're going to see how gold moves because it looks like it may be losing traction today. But honestly, you can see I purchased up right at the top thinking it was going to carry on, because on the run that it was going on, it was amazing and it looked like it was going to carry on. So we managed to pull out about £40 profit in gold. It dropped and we didn't actually secure that, so we didn't finish off the trade, but we were up by about £40. Silver up by about £20, similar story. Tesla been up over £100, so bear in mind this was before I even had gold in. I had everything invested in Tesla, as you may know. Investing everything in one stock, not necessarily the best thing to do, but you know, it was a trial run and it was just like, oh, this is only £100. If I lose it, I lose it, and if I don't lose it, then great. If I can make anything off it, fantastic. So yeah, everything went into Tesla. Managed to secure about £20 or £30 out of that, bringing the total balance up to about 140. And of course, at that point, I decided it was a great idea to go in with some more Tesla stock. And this was basically, if you see that very high red candle there, that was when I purchased my last one at the highest point possible, and it's only starting to pay off now. But it is starting to pay off, and hopefully we can get back up to that 140. So technically we've made a profit because we're up from 100, but we're not up from 140 where we were at before. But it is early days. But anyway, yeah, someone just wanted me to show my personal investment portfolio, because usually I do these things on a demo account, and the reason for that is simply when it comes to investing, one, I've not really got enough experience to be confident to put in thousands of pounds, and 2, obviously putting in thousands of pounds means that I can diversify the videos a lot more and show you guys some decent profits and some better numbers as well. So yeah, that's just the reason why I do that on the demo account. But here is my real investments on this side, and of course I do actually have some on the other side. If you don't know, this is the CFD side, and if we move over to the invest, mainly for me at the minute is oil. So oil prices are a bit meh. 2.75 profit, not great honestly. One day, you know, is going down a little bit, but one good thing to say is the stock is paying dividends, and this is the Rosneft oil. Obviously that's up 10%, which is a nice investment, and the Premier oil is down. So let me give you the backstory to the oil, and I'll show you the graphs to explain it. So oil investment was right at the back of around February, March time, April. I decided to go in with this nice position on oil, anticipating the price going up, which it clearly did, all the way up to a maximum profit of around 23%. Honestly, looking back, that's a great time to sell, but clearly we're still positive now. And honestly, I'm thinking of switching the money from the CFD side onto the invest side, just for safer and more stable returns, and for dividends as well. But you can see the level of diversification, only 2 stocks because it's only a small amount of money, an amount of money that I can afford to lose nevertheless. And we have actually got a dividend paid so far of £2.54 from one of the oil companies, which is positive. So that is great, and here are my 2 picks. So yeah, these are the investments I have made because somebody wanted me to show them, and here they are. Not necessarily great, but once we are done the Tesla and the gold and secure a nice little profit from there, I think we'll be moving over to the other side and perhaps doing some more safe investing. But one, for the purpose of videos, it allows me to know what I'm talking about more when I'm talking about CFD and where I'm actually trading CFD. And two, it actually makes things a little bit more authentic and realistic if I am following these trades on my real account in comparison to just not doing them at all and doing them only on a demo account. So this is my evidence. I am doing these on a real account to a smaller level, but here you go. I just wanted to show you that, and somebody also wanted me to show you that as well. So thank you very much for the request, and I will see you in the next video, which will be out tomorrow. Goodbye.